So to refine a cut shape in blue foam, one of the best things you can do is sand it. Blue foam is great because it sands really, really well. The general procedure is to start with a coarser sandpaper and then work your way to a medium sandpaper and then a fine sandpaper to get a really nice finished edge. Normally this is something I do over a garbage can, but I think for now I'm just going to make a big mess. So all you really have to do is just slide the sandpaper over the foam, and then you can kind of get the shape that you want. One of the cool things about blue foam is you actually use the foam to make your own sanding blocks. So I had a block of foam here, and I just cut a circular shape in it. And then what I did was I just applied sandpaper to the blocks using double-sided tape. So now the sandpaper is kind of stuck on there. And so this one makes a grip, so it's a lot easier to sand the foam. Like I said, pretty messy, but you can get a really nice edge. And this block actually had the curved surface, and so the sandpaper is in that curved surface. And then I'll let you get curved edges. All you have to do is use the curved part of the block and then sand away a surface until you get a curve. That'll really help. One other thing that I wanted to mention is that you can use something like masking tape to cover your high points. And this will protect parts of your surface that you actually don't want to sand away. So here I have everything taped except these two corners. And so I can take my sanding block and I can go ahead and sand that edge. And when I reach the point where I'm close to the masking tape will actually protect my surface. So I can go ahead and sand that really straight. And then you can see I cut a straight edge right in between, and the tape kind of protected the parts that I didn't want to sand. And I can do the same thing with the curved edge if I want a curved shape. And so that's one way I can make a curved corner or a rounded corner without sanding away the parts that are protected by the tape. You can see that right there. So that's refining cut shapes in blue foam using sandpaper. So if you find that you're going to be doing a lot of sanding and you don't want the dust particles to bother you, it might be a good idea to put on a dust mask. So this will just protect you from the dust getting into your lungs.